Sweat Lodge, boweske gamik. Translated James Mole Jauna. The Sweat Lodge, boweske gamik. On Monday, Lintum Gishgak, Mishomis and I went to a sweat lodge. Mishomis minwa nin gi pajama boweske gamgung. We brought one rock. Gi bidona bejik psin. And Mishomis told me about love. Mishomis gi winamak zagudwin. On Tuesday, Nish Gijigak, Mishomis and I went to the sweat lodge. Mishomis minwa nin gi pajama boweske gamagong. This time we brought two rocks. Nunga dash gi bidona nish psinin. And Mishomis told me about bravery and honesty. Minwa Mishomis gi winamak akadewin minwa gwekwat zuwin. Mishomis and I went to the sweat lodge on Wednesday. Mishomis minwa nin gi pajama boweske gamagong tswe gishagak. We added 3 rocks to the others. Gitona yabe tswe psinin uwe garden tegen. And Mishomis told me about wisdom, truth, and humility. Meanwhile, Mishomis gi winamak nabakawin debuewin minwa debendad zuwin. On Thursday, Mishomis and I went to the sweat lodge again. Leogishgak, nin minwa Mishomis, gi pajama boweske gamgung minwa. Mishomis told me about Mishomis gi winamak. Respect as we place one more rock. Menadenuin, a pichatwang iababeshik psin. On Friday, Mishomis and I went to the sweat lodge. Nano gishgak, Mishomis minwa nin, gi pajame boweske gamagong. We brought a pouch of tobacco. Gi binana shkimdes sema. And Mishomis told me about thankfulness. Meanwhile, Mishomis gi winamak migwechkewin. On Saturday, Mishomis and I went to the sweat lodge. Godoaso gishgak. Mishomis minwa nin gi pajame boweske gamagong. An elder told us about the teachings. Ageche Anishinaabemowin gi winamagome akanamage winan. Mishomis and I learned. Mishomis minwa nin gabe kanamagowang about during the week. Epi gabe nijwaso gijgung. On Sunday, Mishomis and I went to the sweat lodge. Nijwaso gijgak. Mishomis minwa nin gi pajame boweske gamagong. And saw the elder again. Meanwhile, gi wapmana Anishinaabemowin. He brought corn, beans, and squash. Gibi nan mimdamanak skudisiminak minakushman. We had a feast. Minwa Guyana Shangewin.